everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching today's video. And today's video, as you can see by the title, is an unboxing of my new sewing machine that has been sent over to me from Singer Outlet, which is so exciting. I just done a video of unboxing all the other PR goodies that Singer sent over for me to be sewing with, so I'll leave that link down below if you haven't seen that video yet. So for today's video, I'll be unboxing and sharing with you what it's all my sewing machine basically. So Singer Outlet said to me, do you want a new sewing machine? And I was like, yes, please. So then they were just talking about which ones to have, and I thought this one would work perfect for me and what I'm going to be sewing and making. So here we are. So what I have got is, let's talk through. It is the Singer 6805C heavy duty sewing machine. Now this is on the Singer Outlet website. It retails at £700, but they've actually got £120 off the machine. I'm not too sure if that's because it's on the outlet or it's a sale. I'm not too sure, but it's currently got £120 off and from the 700. And also it comes with the free extension table as well currently, which is worth £60. So if you want to shop this machine, I'll leave it linked down below, this exact one. So yes, I'm down in my dining room. I was going to do it up in my sewing room, but the lighting wasn't good and the machine and stuff is down here. So we're in my dining room. I think I might add on the end of this video like setting it up as well, so you get to see it in my sewing room. So let's start unboxing. This is so exciting. Right, so let's talk through the box. The box sort of tells us what we have inside of the box. So in here we get the machine, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 feet. Now that's quite a lot, which is quite good. We've got 10 different feet, and just off the top of my head, if we can see, let me bring it a little bit forward so we can all see. So we've got machine, normal feet, a walking foot, a zipper foot, invisible zipper foot. I'm not too sure what that is. I think it's a rolled hem. I'm not too sure. A button and a few other. So I can't wait to get in and see what they look like. And then we've got all the little bits like to have the thread being held on. We've got a seam ripper. We've got some needles. A bag of some kind. I don't know what bag until we get in there. And the foot pedal. So this is the box, and yeah, everything else is in different languages, so I can't read that. So yeah, it's quite heavy. Like, I know sewing machines are, but this feels heavy and sturdy. So let's get cutting in. So exciting. Right, let's do this side. Hopefully you can see from this angle. I might adjust it. Okay, oh, this is what we get when we look inside. Oh, looks a lovely colour. Look at that colour. Okay, so let's start taking, so we've got the, oh, okay. I thought I would just be able to take the polystyrene out, but I can't. So let's start with what we've got here. So we've got our foot pedal. That looks nice. Like that. So we've got a black foot pedal. Move, clear some space. We've got, ooh, got a dust bag with Singer on, which is really nice. I've actually got a Singer sent over a sewing machine bag, but that'd be still really good to use. Okay, and we've got our little delving in. Oh, perfect. Okay, so we've got a little bag of all our feet, what were we just saying? So what have we got here? Let's have a quick look. Oh yes, we've got a button foot. Oh, we've got 3 bobbins, 3 plastic bobbins. That's always handy to have. as well. We got some sewing needles. We have, now I'm never too sure what this is. I don't know. So I'm sure someone knows. And then we have the array of feet. Oh, we've got 4 bobbins. That's quite generous, I think, 4 bobbins. And then we have our metal sewing feet that I just went through. So that comes in that little bag. I might see if I can find a nicer little bag to put all the little bits in. Oh, and a little cleaner to clean the dust out. So pop that, we've got that in that little bag. Now I think we might have to, let's turn it this way. I think you can get good views of, let's try and pull it out. How do you get it out of these? Always curly. Right, here we go. Move the hair out of the way. I'm with long hair. We're out! Okay, let's pop that back there. So we've got some instructions of how to set up the machine, like where the start stop is. Oh, and how to thread the machine. That will be really important. Yeah, we need that. And then, oh, we're gonna have a little box here. What's in here? Oh, there we go. Got a walking foot. I forgot about that. Like, that's nice that it comes in its own little separate box. That it doesn't sort of, oh goodness me, we've got the cat. Come and investigate. That's nice that it comes in a protective box, so you can keep that separate and secure when not using it. Let's pop that. Let's put that in there. Hello. Right, okay. We might have to move you out of the way, gorgeous boy, for a minute. Okie dokie. Right, let's take the polystyrene off. And then we can see, let me turn it around so we can see what we've got. Okay, so we've also got the guarantee. Got to put that in a safe place. And then we have, I think, the manual. So then, here it is. It's so exciting. Right, so let's get it off from this bit of polystyrene. Can we move out of the way for a minute? It's like the same colour as my cat. Here we go. So we've got our plug in a plastic thing, which I'm assuming, yeah, it sits in there. Look how lovely. Right, so we've got I've got a needle in it already. And a protective bit of paper there. That's a really nice handle. That's a really nice handle. Because my current machine has like one of those little just grippy things at the back. And you can't hold it properly. But that's a great handle. That is so nice. So exciting. Hello. Maybe not get my skirt. So yeah, on first impressions, it's really solid. Like, that is not moving anywhere when you're sewing with it. Yeah, that is solid. So what have we got here? Oh, lovely. Okay, let's have a little, like, what's the word? First impressions. We're just discovering what's what on the machine. And then I might do a video of setting up the machine potentially. We'll see. So it looks like, oh, we've got along the front here is inches and centimetres. That's handy to have, like a little guide. You know, when you just want to measure something really quickly, but you've lost your tape measure. Really nice. And then this pulls forward. So you've got a little compartment here, which I assume then you could put in your feet, anything like that. That would be really nice here. Then we have, let's have a look, we've got the buttons. We have our speed here. Let's hopefully come a little bit closer. So we've got our speed here, and it's got some different functions on here that my current sewing machine doesn't have, like cutting the thread and those sort of things. So I'm really excited for that. And we've got that. That's the back of it. It looks like as well, let's just bring up the presser foot. Oh, that's nice. The plate here is like metal, like aluminium, not plastic. So you've got a good slide on your. So yeah. And then, oh, we've got tension at the top here, it looks like. This is so exciting. So, thanks for watching my very quick unboxing of my new sewing machine. I'll let you know how I get on with it. It's very exciting. I've never sewn with a Singer machine before, actually. I've sewn with pretty much every other brand. I must have sewn with a Singer at uni. I must have done. Anyway, right. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video and want to watch some more, please subscribe. So I'll have some more videos coming around the machine and what I'm making. And also check me out on Instagram. I have a sewing Instagram page. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.